continuation of the camera.
अभी लेग दिखाओ अच्छा दिखता है.
Yeah, guys. It's clear. There was a tiger over there. Yeah, in that corner. It was coming. We ran. Yeah. I'm gonna comment them. I'm gonna put that in YouTube. Come on up. Yep. On the road. Show them the road.
See, there's
So guys, I'm not gonna vlog in my camera more. And bye guys. This is the normal thing we do. Bye guys. Comment down below.
I think there's a snake over there.
I don't care. You have a phobia. Everything. Guys, you can see that the dirt. Yeah, guys, it's amazing by the way. You're going front?
Yeah.
Why?
Well,
Okay,
go back.
guys, it's really dark. And
I wish it was not blocked.
yeah,
But still, we would not go because there was a tiger.
and there's phobia. I had phobia. Phobia. Guys, you can see it clearly now. By the way, this is the glass. So yeah. What is that? Don't do that. I got scared. This is that a tiger?
Yeah.
I think you should wipe it out because they can't see it. Your camera has got no. My camera is clean.
Oh, yeah. I cleaned it up, guys, for you.
Oh yeah, it's steamed, you guys. Can we show them the feet?
Yeah, we'll show them everything.
Guys, we are going like right.
Oh, this
Is that a snake? Guys, there are many animals. Last time we saw a tiger and a frog. Not a frog, a fox. What happened? What happened?
देखो क्या क्या किया.
Let's go.
क्या भी दिखता नहीं है. अंधेरा है ना वहाँ फुल.
हाई भी मेरा मना कर चलो.
I think we should not go.
काटे हम ठाना आड़े डालो लेकर.
Yeah, actually, we should not go. I want to show them the feet.
We'll go. Can you have patience? Don't be scared, guys.
Yeah, guys, this is normal life of us.
You see everyday tigers.
Tigers, lion, everything, cheetahs. Not cheaters. We see leopards.
Yeah, not cheetahs.
Guys, now we are gonna show you this precious car.
See, there's like a hut.
yeah, you can't see. It's dark. I'm gonna show you the whole place right now. It's amazing,
You
guys.
can see the car.
This is the farm, like that's the farmhouse. And let's go and show them feet. This is just the half part of the farm, you know.
Quarter
guys?
part.
Quarter part. Now we have to go that side. We finished the main
Now
side.
you can see the cars. One
This is the pool. This is the pool. Guys, this is. Oh my God, that looks so good. The pool. It's
We
blue.
swimmed in it.
Oh my God.
It's full right now.
Oh yeah, guys. Let's go. Oh yeah, guys. He opened the window for seeing. That's
It's
a
full.
well, guys. Farm. The entrance. Why are you opening like that? It is.
Slowly windows down.
Yeah.
The camera is looking down.
I think that is. I need more space.
We have to take it fine. And we can see the car.
Oh, Munanka's pipe. They
This
come.
is
Oh my God! Is that a mango?
no. This is
Muskmelon.
Maxplan.
Can you take one?
ठीक है.
Okay, I'm gonna.
We'll take two.
Iris, can you?
No, no, no.
Iris, can you take a video, please?
हाथ में नहीं कट करना है.
Please.
No, no.
Okay. I think they're not allowed to take it in the night.
Okay, now we can see the cars.
अभी हमारी ट्रैक्टर नहीं आती है ना.
Yeah.
अभी इधर खड़ाने के लिए प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं.
Oh wow.
नई ट्रैक्टर.
Guys, this is the place where everything happens, and the feet is right over there.
जनरेटर इधर रखते
Oh,
हैं.
they can't see the feet. I think you should put some light on it so that they can see. They can't see.
Munanka,
Uncle, can you take the video? Can you take the video? Oh, put high beam.
118.
Yeah, I have put high beam. 118 and P8, guys. Next time we are gonna show you in the morning the P8. Is that a rat in there?
118.
Yeah, guys. Woo! He's a great guy. One my guys, the still is right there.
Mamaga, can you put the water in the windshield?
Yeah, they
What
come.
bottle?
Wipe it. Wipe.
No, put water. It will get clean.
Oh yeah.
Just
No, actually, don't. It will get more dirty.
no, it will not. I'll do it myself.
Guys, he gonna put water. Oh my god. They couldn't see it.
You take it a little left now, bro.
Oh, it's okay. Now don't talk, let them see the farm. Guys, it's amazing, the farm.
Now this is also gonna be the track.
Yeah, the whole road is gonna be the track. We are gonna put not the mud, it's gonna be a plain road. Yeah, we are
Like
gonna
the tar.
let's go more deep. This is nothing. Guys, this is the place we are gonna put our football stadium, all the cricket stadium. There's a post over there, you can't see it, sorry. High beam! Oh, it's high beam.
This is 40 acres.
40 acres?
Yes.
Oh my god. Oh my
if you
god.
want to see the full farm, we have to keep driving till the morning.
Not the morning, like 1 hour. Oh guys, we're gonna go on that. There's a tree falling, shit. Can we go?
There's a lion. Because of the fog, we can't see it. Can you see it? There's a lion.
You can't see it, guys. Sorry. Now we can't see it, no? We can just roll over it.
Close the class.
क्यों?
Close the class.
It's already
There's a
closed.
lion.
Yeah.
The tree's fallen, guys. See there? It's over there. You can't see it. It's dark.
After the track, there we'll make a
Is
go.
that a tiger?
Yeah.
And when the track's ready, after like 10-8 months, we'll do another vlog of this farm.
Yeah, this is just the. We are gonna show.
And I'll
Oh my god, where are we going in woods?
and I'll drive the dirt bike. He's drive
Where
the
is
buggy.
this?
And we'll drive go-karts together. We'll race.
Yeah, guys. I don't know where are we going. I have never come here. Can you swipe?
Place you going?
Can I record in the GoPro right now?
No, it's already dead. It's dead. The tiger is coming, guys.
I record in Didi's iPad.
No, it's gone. We gave it.
Oh, so we are gonna
Go to the farmhouse. Guys, did you enjoy? Did you smile? Comment down below and give this video a big thumbs up, and a big like.
and thumbs up.
If you guys enjoyed, this is the farmhouse. Yeah, guys, farmhouse.
We showed it 2 times.
Yeah. There's nothing to see more, right?
There is, but we are not gonna go.
Yeah, there's a lot more. But we're gonna show that when we get run away. This is, I'll show them the entry, how it becomes. Guys, like this is the thing entrance.
It's exactly 12 a.m.
नको बात चलो बस ठीक.
Oh my god, there's only 1 minute to get 1 a.m. guys. 12 a.m. Finally we didn't, we came back. I think it's gonna become 12.
यार इस
Huh?
थोड़ा हटो.
Yes, sure. I think it's gonna be
He's
like,
an excellent driver.
yeah, he's like a racer.
Yes.
So guys, can you see the time?
Just clean it.
It's clean. It should get more focus. No, it's 12. my god, it's
Finally we
12. Finally. It's like the exact timing we came at the farmhouse, guys. So guys, if you
Thank
enjoyed, and comment down below Mustafa, because he's a good driver.
Thank you.
Really good driver.
Thank you, Ibrahim. Thank you, Arif.
Yeah. Guys, comment down below. We are going giving away some sanitizers and some toilet papers. So bye, guys. Oh, bye. So okay. Bye, guys. See you next time.
ऑन करता है अरे बैक करो ऑफ करो जाओ